Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Atsuage cheese. It's like healthier, gluten-free version of pizza. And it's very easy to make. Let me show you how to make it, but before we carry on, please hit the subscribe button below before you forget. Let's get started. These are what you need. Atsuage deep fried tofu, Japanese mayonnaise, shredded mozzarella, some soy sauce, and to garnish, some green onion and katsuobushi bonito flakes. I'm going to cut these atsuage and put them on this oven tray with parchment paper. You can cut as you like, but today I'm cutting it into 4. Like this. And let's put some mayonnaise all over the atsuage. Then shredded mozzarella. Let's just grill it in the oven. In the meantime, I'm slicing this green onion. Cut the bottom off, cut them in half, put them together, cut them in half, put them together, and then slice thinly. I grilled it at 250 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Let's slide it on the serving plate. Drizzle some soy sauce. Katsuobushi bonito flakes. And green onion on top. Plenty of it. And Atsuage cheese is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!